Welcome back everyone to ECTV Tries. This is our third episode of the third season. ECTV Tries is where we undergo a new adventure every week. I'm Emily Lindner.
And I'm Phillip. We're your tries for the week. As usual, we haven't been told what we'll be doing today, but we were given a hint. What we were told is that get ready to test your brain. So what do you think this could be this week?
I'm hoping it's sort of about parts of the brain, since that's what I've been learning in my education classes.
Nice. If that's the case, I'm definitely not winning. I'm hoping trivia, that's what I would think. I'm a little decent with it, but not the best. Okay.
It's time to find out what our task is for tonight. You each get 10 minutes to solve the puzzle in front of you. After the time is up, you switch. Whoever solves a puzzle first in the shortest amount of time wins.
Oh.
Okay.
That's
fun.
Huh. Yeah, let's see how that goes. We'll be right back. We just have to set up. And we are back. So as we said, our task is about puzzles. So we each have this little puzzle type thing, and our goal is basically to solve it. Whoever does it first wins. We have roughly 10 minutes to go. So do you want to show everybody yours real fast?
This is my puzzle. When it's sitting on the table, we made the discovery that it sort of looks like a TIE fighter from Star Wars.
Mine is a pile of wood, like blocks stuck together, so I don't really know what to expect with this one.
Yeah. I was anticipating puzzle pieces.
Yeah, same. I didn't expect this, but I'm ready to start when you are.
Yeah, I'm ready.
All right, let's go.
Okay. Very clinky.
Yeah, I hear yours clanking from over here.
Clanking.
Mine has like, there's one piece of mine that's like kind of slipping through, but it's not coming out.
No, like there's like a little opening.
Oh, I got a piece off.
Oh my
mostly.
Goodness. Getting scared. Let's see. What does this say?
No way.
Okay.
Ah!
There's a little opening, and one would think that it would go through the little opening, but...
One piece out. Jake! So I got mine solved really quick. So I'm gonna take another puzzle and just and see how this goes. Oh, okay. So this one's kind of a weird metal piece. You can continue while I'm trying to demonstrate.
Yeah, I need to pick up the pace.
I didn't expect that. I pulled one piece and the whole thing crumbled. I don't know what
it was actually rigged the entire time.
Yes, the producers rigged it so I win. I've bribed them.
Okay.
Let me see.
It has to be. Okay.
It's gonna probably be something along with these lines. Come on.
Wait a minute.
Okay.
No.
That's what I wanted.
I feel like I could be close, but
it's possible.
It's also very not possible.
You're not wrong.
Like,
but I'm gonna give you
they're
hope
both valid suggestions.
Yeah. The chance is never zero either way, unfortunately.
Yeah.
I don't know what I did to this thing, but I don't know if this is correct.
Yours almost looks like an old-fashioned key.
It kind of does. I saw this piece at first when we were picking earlier, and I was like, that kind of looks like a heart, and then I looked at it closer, and I was like, nope, I'm just being a dump.
I want to know the inventors of these puzzles.
Same.
I want to see
thought this through.
Who was compelled to make this, and what compelled them to do so?
Yeah, honestly, these things are a little wonky.
Wonky. Think about this logically.
Think you're close to it?
No.
Nope. Well, it's worth asking.
One can only hope.
True.
Are you close?
No, I'm back where I started. That other one was much easier.
I feel like if I can get it angled a certain way, it should be able to come apart, but
yeah,
there's lots of little spikies here that prohibit that.
Let me see, can I get these to go through like that?
The sounds of the puzzles clinking remind me of when a teacher tells you to write something and all of a sudden you just hear pencil scribbles.
Oh my gosh,
like all throughout the classroom. Or like
that's true. I hear key jingle.
Oh yeah. Or like if a meal's really good and all you hear is silverware, like clink clink.
What is this?
Okay.
I feel like I'm just gonna keep getting it stuck. What is this thing?
I don't. Oh my goodness! Look, it's like it's antlers.
It's a deer.
It's two little deer.
Is that actually what it is?
That's what it looks like.
Oh my god, that's kind of adorable actually.
Little antlers. Maybe that's a clue.
Maybe, yeah. Maybe if you can get it to look normal deer.
Maybe. Or you know how sometimes they fight and they like put their...
Oh yeah, they fight using their antlers.
Yeah.
That's true. I forgot they do that.
Yeah.
I haven't seen deer in a while actually, oddly enough.
There's a bunch around my house because I live near the woods. So
yeah, I do as well,
everywhere.
so it's kind of weird that I haven't seen any in a good bit, but... Every time I think I've made progress, I just get this one piece, like, stuck.
So real. So real for that. Me right now.
What did I... I had it like this for a minute there.
See, look, like, you would think that it would just be able to leave, but no.
Yeah, no, that's how I feel with this thing. It's like, there's parts where I'm like, that should work, but it don't.
My brain is not passing this test.
Brain is not braining right now.
It's not working.
Spit through there? No. I don't know what I did.
Did we get the answers at the end?
I hope. I don't know.
Want to see the
honestly,
solution.
I don't know if the producers can solve this.
Let's see.
Okay. Nope, that isn't gonna work.
Clink, clink.
Clink, clink. I am so confused by this thing.
I swear, I thought I was so close. Oh my goodness, no.
What?
Oh. Thought I cracked the code. I did not.
Nope, that ain't gonna do it.
I was like, everyone, I'm gonna be on ECTV Tries today. I didn't know what I was doing, but now they can all watch me not be able to solve a puzzle.
Yeah, that's kind of how this show goes. It's usually how bad can the person playing do.
I just hope no one's yelling at the TV like, you should know what you're doing!
It should do that!
You should know!
There's gotta be at least one person that's like, I know exactly how to do this, and you're all doing it wrong.
Yeah. Get them on the show.
Yeah, get them here.
Get them here right
If you
now.
are that person, come and do these for us, please and thank you.
I feel like I'm running in circles a little bit.
Yeah,
here.
same. Every time I look at it, I just get more questions than I have answers. Oh, there we go.
That sounds a little concerning. There we go. Have you made progress?
No, it was just stuck and I had to get it unstuck.
Okay.
Progress is a big nope right now.
Yeah, it's me right now.
I think I know how it's supposed to do it. I just don't know how to get it to do it.
Oh my goodness. So quick.
That's concerning to hear.
I thought I had it.
Maybe you will soon.
Sorely mistaken.
Why is this so complicated?
So much. I was listening to that song "Complicated" by Avril Lavigne on my way over here.
Oh, okay. I might have heard that song. It might have just been a while.
Yeah, it was It's a pretty well-known song. Like, you would probably know it.
I probably
if you
do,
heard
and I
it.
just don't know the
Yeah.
like off the top of my head. That song probably describes this entire thing. What? I don't know what I am doing anymore.
I hope we get the answers.
I don't think we will, but I hope. We can
I'm
dream.
gonna have to watch a YouTube tutorial after this so I can know. Then I'll go, oh,
Google TIE Fighter puzzle.
so close. TIE Fighter deer antler puzzle.
Yeah.
How to.
I feel like it should do that, but it's not. Yeah, no. Not at all.
If you had to pick one song to describe this situation, how you're feeling about this puzzle, what would it be? Mine's complicated.
What's that song where the guy's just like, oh, you made a mistake, that thing?
I don't know.
I don't know, but that's kind of how I feel right now. I just keep making mistakes every time I try to do this thing.
Real.
It's stuck. It is officially stuck. Nope. Does it fit through like that? Nope. Come on.
I'm losing hope.
Yeah, same.
Oh,
I think we were just told we have a minute.
running out of time.
Yeah.
You know when you're playing Mario Kart and the music speeds up?
Oh my god, yeah. I'm hearing that in my head now.
That's what's going on in my brain.
No, why would you do that to me?
This is the Rainbow Road of
Oh my gosh.
of
Yes, it's Rainbow
puzzles.
Road.
Like if you had to compare them, simile, I believe.
I'm gonna give this back to just 10 times worse than I got it.
Ooh.
What did I do? It's like a weird.
I don't know.
This fits last week's episode more now.
Wait.
Can I just get it back to how it was when it started? That would be helpful.
Losing hope.
Hope is a myth, I guess. Yeah. I don't think we're gonna get it.
Well,
that's fun.
how'd you do?
I think it's in worse condition than when I got it. How about you?
It's probably the exact same. 0 progress was made.
Yeah, I would say
Zero
that's kind of how
progress.
you got it. Yeah. I'm at least glad I got one of them. I didn't
Yeah.
expect it to be in that fast, but I'll take it.
Yeah.
So I think I win. All right.
Does it?
Well, thank you for watching this season's 3rd episode of ECTV Tries. Keep an eye out for next week's episode. I'm Phillip Patches.
And I'm Emily Lindner, and you're watching ECTV Tries. Thanks for joining us.